my YouTube channel. Joey here again with yet another wig review, and this wig review is brought to you by DivaTrust.com. So if you guys are interested in knowing more about this beautiful unit that I'm wearing right now, just keep watching. As you guys can see, I kind of changed the hairstyle a little bit when I got home because I decided to show the versatility of this wig, what you can do with this wig. And I did this little cute half up, half down with a little thing around it, some hair around it type thing. I don't know what it's called, but I decided to do that with this wig. So let's get into this review. So first of all, this wig is from Outre, and this is from their hand tie full lace collection, and her name is Maya, and I am wearing her in the color 1, which is a jet black. She is very versatile. As you guys can see, you can wear her in different types of style, and this is the box right here. And this right here is the stock card, which is more like a booklet. It shows you different ways that you can wear her, and it also gives you details, which I'm going to tell you what the details say right now. And it also shows you in the back how to put your lace front wig on. So I guess like it shows you how to put all the lace, like in general, how to put these lace wigs on, because this is not the only one from that line. They have multiple ones from this line. So let me read to you guys some of the details that come with this, just in case if you guys missed it in the beginning, if you skipped through it or whatever the case is. She is 100% individual knotted strands. So the way it's looking like coming out of the wig, it looks very natural. She is a deep lace front for most natural looks, so you are gonna have a lot of lace right here in the front. I showed you guys in the beginning of the video, there's a lot of lace. So that's actually great because you can create more natural styles with the hairline, and the hairline pretty much came like this. I just plucked some on the side, if you guys seen the beginning, but I really did not pluck that much from the front. She is a freestyle parting. There is a lot of parting space. I would say it's like a 13x4. I wouldn't say it's a full lace parting, but it's a 13x4. It says she has baby hairs from ear to ear, but I always have a hard time locating the baby hairs, so I created my own. I tried to, but then I came to a conclusion that I like my my unit without it. She has styling versatility, as you can see. It says contoured cap construction, so we're gonna talk about that construction of the cap later. That's super dope. It says breathable mesh cap. It is pretty breathable and pretty lightweight, really nice, and she is heat friendly up to 400 degrees. So that is all the specs on that. So let me give you guys the tea on this wig and everything, how I felt about it, because I've been wearing her all day. So first of all, before I get into that, let me show you guys how long she is. So she's pretty much, all right, y'all gonna see my pregnant belly, but she's pretty much past my waist. She is past my waist. So she is pretty long. She's about 26 to almost 30 inches. And if you're straightening her, she's gonna be super long. But I'm 5 feet tall, so keep that in mind. I'm pretty short, so everything always looks a lot longer on me. If you're taller, you're not gonna experience, you know, it being that long, especially because looking at the model, it's really not that long on her as long as it is on me. And I do plan on cutting her because I don't like super duper long hair, but that's not a bad thing with this hair. That's totally fine because she's still gorgeous. So she is pretty long, and she is big head friendly. If you're small headed like myself, you would be able to fit her pretty well, and she is so comfortable. Like, guys, the lace is really soft, the cap is really soft, and what I love about it is that even though this hair is really long and it is a lot of hair, it's very breathable. Like, the hair is very lightweight and nice. So that's one thing I love about it. The only thing that you're gonna run into is a little tangling, and you are gonna have some shedding, but you will expect that with, you know, synthetic wigs that are this long and stuff. Although I feel like she might be a human hair mix blend or whatever. She might be a premium synthetic human hair type thing going on, because the texture is really soft and silky. The texture is so beautiful. As you guys can see, look at this luster. I did spray on some leave-in conditioner to kind of define the curls a little bit more and to kind of give it more volume, because she came a little too defined for me and I wanted more volume with this hair. But I kept getting compliments at work. Like, she is so bomb. Hairline, the pre-plucking of the hairline is amazing. Like, look at this. Like, this is so pretty. Like, it's so pretty. I feel like she's really great for a beginner, especially somebody who's a beginner who wants something versatile and easy. She is amazing. When it comes to slaying on a budget, she is a little bit more on the pricier side, but I feel like she's worth the money because she's gorgeous, and two, she's very easy to work with. Like, this isn't a wig. I was a little intimidated because, one, I didn't see a lot of reviews on this wig, I guess because she's fairly new, and two, because I don't think I have in my collection, I don't have a full lace wig yet. So this one was gonna be my first one, and I was a little scared. And when I took her out the box and I seen the length, I got super scared. So I'm like, oh man, I hope that this is, this is easy to work with. But the first thing I noticed before I even cut the lace was the hairline. Like, I was like, oh my God, this hairline is so pretty because it hugs your face. So especially if you're chubby faced like me, like you have big cheeks and stuff, she really hugs your face like so beautifully. And if you're the type of person who likes to do a flip over, or like in the middle of the day you just feel like putting her back in a middle part, which is what I was doing. Like, my coworker was like, did you just like change your hair up? And I'm like, yeah, I just parted it in the middle. And she's like, I like it like that, you should wear it like that. So if you're that type of person like me, I would say this wig is perfect because you can do all of that stuff. And then if you want to get creative like myself, you can go ahead and try a hairstyle like this, and that would be super cute too. So I would definitely recommend her 100%. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments below. I would love to thank Diva Trust for sending me this wig to review for you guys. Shout outs to them. They're awesome. Make sure that you guys check them out. Make sure that you check out their website to see other units like this one, and I will be putting the link below for this unit. Make sure that you guys follow me on Instagram at Peralta Knows Best, and make sure that if you haven't done so, you hit that subscribe button so you guys always keep up with my content, because I will be dropping some fire. And make sure that you also hit that bell so you guys get notifications on when I'm dropping a new video. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I will see you guys soon. Bye.